Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can add the section on your Quire website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to go to the website, and after going to the website, as you can see, here's the plus icon. So we have to click on the plus icon, and after clicking on the plus icon, you will be able to see the option for the aid section. As you can see, the shortcut key is also provided here. If you want to use the shortcut key, you can also use that. But we are going to click on this option, and after clicking on this option, as you can see, now we need to provide the section name. For example, I'm going to adding the section name for the changes section. So let's try the changes section. And as you can see, now the section is added. If you want to edit like that, as you can see, the shortcut key is Control S to turn the task into the section. If you want to turn your task into a section, then you have to press the Control S, and that will be changed. So as you can see, now simply we have tried the changes like make it bold. You can write whatever you want. If you want to add a new one, you can also do that. You have to click on the plus, and as you can see now, like the make it more loudly, and as you can see now the changes are mentioned here. So in this way you can add the sections and add the task and under to the sections. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can add the sections. So see you guys in the next video.